Rocket, Rocket by Virtual's token crypto coin. How to buy base Uniswap agent blockchain Raccoon. Now that we've covered the basics of the AI Rocket token, let's dive deeper into why this project stands out. The world of cryptocurrency moves fast, and for anyone trying to stay ahead of the game, tools like AI Rocket could be a game changer. This token isn't just another investment opportunity, it's a powerful platform designed to help investors and crypto enthusiasts stay ahead of the trends, making informed and strategic decisions. It's all about finding the next big thing before everyone else. If you've been in crypto for a while, you've probably seen the frustration of missing out on a huge trend or coin. Maybe you heard about a project after it had already exploded, and you were left watching the price rise without being able to capitalize on it. AI Rocket is trying to change that dynamic by giving users access to insights that can predict market trends before they become mainstream. Now, the AI technology behind the project is key. It's designed to scan multiple data points, social media mentions, market behavior, Twitter trends, and Telegram activity. AI Rocket then uses this data to predict which tokens and projects are gaining traction and are likely to explode in the near future. This means that instead of playing catch-up, you could be the one that's ahead of the curve. Another thing that makes AI Rocket unique is its focus on automating the research and decision-making process. As we know, crypto can be overwhelming with the constant news, updates, and social media chatter. It's not easy to sift through all of this information and figure out what's actually worth your time and attention. AI Rocket aims to simplify that by giving you all the relevant data in one place, allowing you to make faster, smarter decisions. This automation is not just for trend spotting, though. The project also offers tools that help you automate your engagement on social platforms like Twitter and Telegram. As we know, engagement plays a massive role in the crypto space, whether it's increasing a token's visibility or getting the attention of influencers. Community engagement can drive significant price movements. AI Rocket gives you the ability to automate this process, saving you time while increasing your presence in the community. So, what makes this tool even more powerful? The AI doesn't just spot trends, it predicts them. With the ability to analyze Twitter metrics, Telegram activity, Google trends, and sector-specific growth, AI Rocket can give you a 3 to 5 day lead over the rest of the market. Imagine being able to spot the next big project before it starts blowing up on social media. That's the kind of edge that could make a huge difference in your portfolio. Additionally, the deflationary aspect of the token is another key factor in its potential value. With a max total supply of around 998 million tokens, the supply is limited. This could potentially create scarcity as demand for the token increases, driving up its value. Plus, with its integration on the base blockchain, AI Rocket is utilizing a scalable and reliable ecosystem that can support its growth. But like all crypto projects, there are risks involved. While AI Rocket's tools and platforms seem like they could provide valuable insights, it's important to remember that no system is foolproof. Crypto is inherently volatile, and even the best technology can't predict every market movement. The key here is to always approach new projects with caution, especially in the early stages. AI Rocket might be trending right now, but you should always do your own research, keep an eye on its development, and ensure you're comfortable with the risks before diving in. Another thing to consider is the team behind AI Rocket. The success of any crypto project often boils down to the team's ability to execute their vision. AI Rocket is clearly ambitious, with its focus on cutting-edge AI technology, but it's important to see how they evolve in terms of updates, partnerships, and the continued development of their platform. A transparent, active team that communicates regularly is key to building trust and ensuring the project's long-term success. Now let's talk about how you can get involved. If you're interested in picking up some AI Rocket tokens, it's a relatively straightforward process. First, make sure you have a wallet that can store base chain tokens. As mentioned, Coinbase Wallet is a great option, but you can also use Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Once your wallet is set up, fund it with either ETH or directly with Base from a central exchange. After funding your wallet, head to the Uniswap platform, find the AI Rocket token using the contract address provided on their official social media or website, and trade your ETH or Base for the token. It's that easy. And remember, you're not just buying a token, you're gaining access to a platform that could potentially give you an edge in the crowded world of crypto investments. Let's take a look at AI Rocket's roadmap and future potential. The project's white paper and roadmap provide a detailed vision for what's to come. They have plans to expand their AI-driven tools, build partnerships with other crypto projects, and develop further use cases for their token. If they're able to execute on these plans, there could be significant growth in the future. The market for AI in crypto is still relatively young, and as more and more investors look for data-driven tools to make smarter decisions, AI Rocket could very well be at the forefront of this trend. So, keep an eye on this token, as it has the potential to carve out a niche for itself in the increasingly competitive meme and utility token space. To wrap up, AI Rocket by Virtuals is an exciting new project that's offering something different from the typical meme coin. With its focus on AI-powered trend detection, automated engagement, and deflationary tokenomics, it's aiming to give investors the tools they need to stay ahead of the market. But as always, make sure to approach this project with caution, do your research, and only invest what you're willing to lose. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into what makes AI Rocket unique in the crypto space. One of the most exciting things about this project is its focus on AI-driven tools. In crypto, timing is everything, and AI Rocket gives you an edge by utilizing advanced algorithms to predict market movements before they go mainstream. No more chasing trends or trying to jump in after everyone else has already made their profits. AI Rocket provides you with the tools to identify the next big opportunity early on. What's even more impressive is that AI Rocket isn't just about spotting trends. It's about giving you the power to shape them. The platform uses AI to track and analyze social media activity, project sentiment, website traffic, and even Google Trends. By pulling all this data together, it can spot emerging narratives and potentially profitable tokens before they gain traction. This is an insider edge that, up until now, has been difficult to come by for the average investor. Another cool feature that AI Rocket brings to the table is its ability to automate engagement. Crypto moves fast, and keeping up with conversations on Telegram and Twitter can be exhausting. But with AI Rocket, you don't have to worry about missing out. It can automate your social media activity, allowing you to stay connected and engaged with your community without spending hours online. This means you can focus more on growing your portfolio while the platform handles the grunt work. Let's talk about the potential for growth here. Given that the AI space in crypto is still in its early stages, the potential for AI Rocket to become a go-to tool for crypto investors is huge. As more people realize the value of data-driven insights, AI Rocket could see significant growth. Its deflationary nature, with a capped supply, adds an element of scarcity that could drive the value of the token up as demand increases. With the right marketing, partnerships, and product development, AI Rocket could carve out a major niche in the crypto space. And don't forget about the community. Crypto thrives on community support, and AI Rocket has a growing and active community on platforms like Telegram and Twitter. The project's transparency, regular updates, and willingness to engage with its community will play a crucial role in its success. A strong, dedicated community can help push a project from early-stage obscurity to mainstream recognition. Wrapping up, AI Rocket by Virtuals is more than just a token, it's a platform designed to help crypto investors stay ahead of the curve by utilizing cutting-edge AI tools. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started, this token provides you with a toolkit to find the next big opportunity and make smarter decisions in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. But remember, as with any investment, there are risks involved, and it's important to do your own research. Make sure to understand the potential of the project, its team, and its long-term goals before diving in. If you decide to go for it, AI Rocket could very well be a valuable addition to your crypto portfolio. Let me know in the comments what you think about AI Rocket. Do you believe AI-driven tools can revolutionize how we invest in crypto? As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest crypto news. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and happy investing!